Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to be showing you another add-on from the Mr. Blamo repository. It's called Chocolate Salty Balls. Interesting name, whoever's come up with that, but yeah, let's get it installed and let's have a look at it. So, usual setup. Every add-on I install I do a video for, so you can see most of these have all been covered. Apart from Sports Devil, but yeah, so we're just going to stick with this normal process today, which is click the wheel. We're going to go straight to File Manager, and we're going to add the source, and this is the address that you're going to want to add. I'll give you a few moments there to input that address. You may want to pause the video just to give you some extra time there. Right, okay, so we'll move on to the next step. Repo is now added, and we're now going to name the repo. So this is how I always do it. I just something like this. Okay, and that's now added. We'll give that an OK. Lovely. So we've now added that source, and we're going to back out twice, back and back again, and we're going to click the add-ons section here. Once we've clicked that, we're going to click this package button here, click that, and then we're going to install from zip file. Now, as we've just added it, here it is, Mr. Blamo repo. Let's get that clicked. You're going to click this one, the 01.1 zip, and then we should get a notification in a moment just to say it's installed. 3, 2, 1. There we go, lovely. So that's the Blamo repo installed. So now we're going to install from the repo. And we're going to select the Blamo repository, give that a click, and we go straight to video add-ons, and here it is, Chocolate Salty Balls. So let's get it installed. Okay, so that's that installed, as simple as that. Let's have a look at it, shall we, guys? Let's get it open. And this is a fairly new add-on called Chocolate Salty Balls. Now I know why. It's all to do with animations. That's pretty cool. Johnny Bravo, SpongeBob. I suppose this would be great for your kids, some of them. But for the adult cartoons, obviously, that's pretty good as well. So let's have a little look anyway. Let's click something. So we're going to go for American Dad. Ooh, let's go to season 15. And what's this? I'll go for this one here. So it's having a look. There we go. SD, it's not too bad though when it comes to cartoons.
Season. There's no place I'd rather be, buddy.
100%, pal. Klaus invited me to...
Alright, so there you go. So it's all to do with animations. I mean, that's pretty cool. As I say, there's lots to choose from here. Lots of variety. So it's really up to you what you want to look for. Obviously, you can do a search. I know, I'll just give it a little test. I don't know if that'll work, but wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've got to click this. Curiosity's got the better of me. When I was growing up, this was well, I was a young boy when this was out. All right. Taking its time. You don't have to wait till it goes completely, but if you want the most resources, I would suggest that. I'll just click random there. Okay. No. So it's actually quite refreshing to see an add-on purely for animation and cartoons. That's quite cool. I'm certainly giving it a challenge with this, that's for sure. Let's give it a few more moments, and then we'll finish the video up then, guys. I just want to see if we can get something working. Maybe too much of a challenge. I don't know though. It's actually showing lots of videos there. All right. Well, it was certainly worth a try, wasn't it? All right. All right then. Right, well guys, it seems to be stuck on the wheel. It might actually find something, but it might take a bit of time. So at this point, this is where I'm going to end the video. Oh, there we go, it's back. But yeah guys, as I say, it looks like a good add-on, lots of stuff to check out. Oh, it's still working. It's just me not being patient, isn't it? There we go. Alright, if it gives me the option to cancel, I'll do that in a second. But yeah, I hope you found this useful video. Hope you found this video useful. Good grief, what's up with me tonight? So yes guys, as I say, it's something different, something new. Yeah, get it installed, see what you think. Right, till next time, I'll see yous on the next video. Ta-ra.